6-7, okay, he's trying to crawl away, he's running northbound, topping the fence, running northbound, parallel, also right in front of me, right in front of you.
Helicopter surveillance video and body camera images show a suspected car thief's arrest in Atlanta, Georgia.
Good job, boys.
It happened on November 11th in southeast Atlanta. Body camera video shows a police officer pull over a vehicle for not having valid tags or insurance. When the officer approached the vehicle, they smelled marijuana and saw what appeared to be a gun inside. After that, the SUV sped off. Investigators later determined the vehicle was stolen from neighboring Alabama. When the suspect drove off, Atlanta police deployed its air and canine units to search for him. A helicopter crew eventually found him hiding behind a house.
Radio, give us a 6-7, okay, he's trying to crawl away, he's running northbound, topping the fence, running northbound, parallel, also right in front of me, right in front of you.
APD officers tracked down the suspect and ordered him to stop and get on the ground.
What? Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Eventually, officers caught up with the suspect and placed him under arrest.
Don't give up the perimeter. Hold the perimeter.
Atlanta police identified the suspect as Ralique Robinson, who was later booked in the Fulton County Jail. He's now facing multiple charges, including theft by receiving stolen property, possession of a firearm by a convicted felon, possession of marijuana less than an ounce, possession of a controlled substance, fleeing and eluding, and obstruction of justice. Investigators are still searching for the two other men involved in the incident. For the latest developments in this story and all things true crime, stay with Law&Crime Network. I'm Sierra Gillespie.